Tigis ang timeout. Ang Pandi at Malagtas. Rodriguez. Susunod yun. Kicks it out. Ang Marco. Too strong. Kawasan. Bakit sa lubang William. Salamat bringing the ball down. Salamat guarding tightly. Gives it to number 43. Takes his pass to Hate. Then to shoot. Hate, the main man from Rainbow. Pops. Too short. Rodriguez. Gives it to Spinignon. From the elbow. Too strong. Rodriguez from the rebound. Passes to the gun. Back up behind by Salamat. Then to Ramos. Gives it back to Salamat. Salamat. Waiting for the main man, Hate. 10 to shoot. To Gamboa, back to Salamat, to Ramos. 5 to shoot to Hate. Turn shot short. Last touch on Tuazo. Same balls as the referee. 30-second shot clock. 13. Hate inbounding to Ramos. No post, almost losing it. Loses the ball, same ball, says the referee. Baseline throwing for Balagtas. 7 seconds to shoot. 7. Gamboa inbounding, looking for a receiver. Nagkating Salamat. Too deep. Hate drives, throws it. But draws a foul. Francisco checking in for Gamboa. We are still tied at 74 all. 2 shots for Hate. Makes his first. Hate missing his last shot. It could have been his 40th point. 39 points ako si Hate. Not to mention his assists, his rebounds. Gatos. Capacitillo pops for 2 on the side. 1.3 Pandi. Salamat.